Hello guys, welcome to Khou Acha. Today we'll be coloring our Spongebob Squarepants. First of all, we'll start with black for his pupils. Then we'll go blue for his iris. Same goes for this side. Perfect start! Next, we'll be using yellow for his entire body. Starting from the bottom edge. Then gently stroke it to fill the white space here. Leave both of his eyes, teeth, mouth and tongue white like this. Keep stroking it guys, looking great! Now, let's go to his arm with the same yellow color. One stroke at a time. Make sure we don't go over the line. And then, paint a little yellow color here. For the next part, we'll be using dark yellow, dark brown, light orange, light brown, red, dark blue, black and gray. We'll begin to draw a circle with dark yellow. Then, with the same color, start filling each circle. Nice and slow. Looking great! Now, let's repaint each circle with the same color to make it a little darker and visible. Now, let's give a Spongebob cute freckles. By using dark brown to give his face 3 dots for each side. Give him one line under his mouth right here. Looking cute, isn't he? We'll color his tongue with orange. Then, we'll use light brown to fill his mouth. Gently coloring it and leafy teeth vibe like this. Adorable! Then, we'll color his paint with the same color. Up and down, and make sure the color is consistent. And fill this part too. Same goes for this side. Yay! Almost there! Now, we'll color his tie with red. Moving to his socks, we'll use dark blue to draw 2 parallel lines. And then, we move down to color his shoes with black. Leave the circle inside there white. Now, we'll use gray to finish drawing some parts. Like his shirt, teeth, here, and there. And don't forget his socks as well. Bingo! That's all for today's episode, guys. I'll see you in the next video.